Hello, I'm Jeff Patterson. In this video, we're going to talk about a simple Qigong breathing exercise that will help bring down your blood pressure, help take tension out of the body. Sometimes maybe if you're feeling like a panic attack coming on, or just feeling tense and stressed out, or maybe just feel like you want to be a little bit more settled and a little bit more relaxed, this is a great exercise to practice. Now, it only takes a couple minutes to do, and you'll notice results immediately from it. But first, I'm going to talk a little bit about understanding kind of what we're doing with the breath and what we're doing with our focus before we get into the actual breathing exercise. And the first focus point is what we call the upper dantian. And the upper dantian is located in the center of the brain. So if you were to take a straight line, imaginary line from the tops of your ears and go straight across, and then another line from the third eye point straight to the lower of the back of the head, and where those two lines cross, that's where your upper dantian is. Now, if you focus on that place, what's going to happen is the thoughts in your mind are going to start to decrease. You're going to start to be able to find that spot almost like the size of a little BB. You can even think of like a soft color if you want, like blue or yellow, something to kind of help make your awareness come to that spot. Now, once you've been able to find that place and your focus is back into the present moment, what you're going to do is what we call normal abdominal breathing. So when I say normal abdominal breathing, a lot of times when we breathe with our chest. Okay, with this breathing exercise, you're going to relax the chest, and on the inhale, you're going to focus on that middle diaphragm, and that diaphragm is going to blow up like a balloon. As your lungs inhale, that diaphragm comes down, and it's going to push the abdomen out. And then on the inhale, or the exhale, it's going to softly contract. So take a few slow breaths, focusing on expanding the abdomen and then contracting the abdomen. Also, at the same time, you're focusing on that spot in the center of the mind. Now, once you have a nice even rhythm, and after you've done this 30, 40 times, it's going to get easier and easier as you put a little bit more repetitions into it. But now, another little trick you can do if you want to add a little bit extra intent to help bring that stress level down or to help bring that blood pressure down is we can lengthen the inhale. So maybe our inhale breath is 8 seconds and our exhale breath is 6 seconds. This will help even bring yourself down, letting go of all of the tension in the body. Think about the organs sinking into the lower dantian, everything just making yourself more rooted. And you can do this whether you're sitting or standing, however you want to do this practice. But try a little bit every day. Just spend 2 or 3 minutes doing this and find how easily you're going to be able to bring your heart rate down. Now, you can even test yourself, and this is kind of a easy way to show you that this exercise really does work, is check your heart rate, time yourself 10 seconds, checking your pulse, see where your heart rate is, and then practice this breathing exercise for 2 to 3 minutes, and then check your heart rate again and notice the change. Especially if you're at a point where you're a little bit stressed and you're moving around and you come back down and you do this, and you'll immediately see results from this. So it's a great practice. Later we'll talk about how you can use this breathing strategy and this focus and what we call the embryonic breathing to help you with different sitting meditations if you want to get into that practice as well. But this is just some great tips to help you be able to have control and to be able to bring that stress level and that blood pressure down at any time you want. So I hope you are enjoying the practice, and thanks for watching the video. I'll look forward to seeing you next time.